I am scared. I am scared. I am scared.
I feel sick. He feels sick.
I need help! Help! The car broke down! I need help!
The wind is strong.
I am freezing. I am freezing. I am freezing.
What's wrong?
My neck hurts.
Let me see.
It really hurts.
I understand. I'll help.
Thank you, doctor.
I am sweating. I am sweating. I am sweating.
I am exhausted. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy.
I am lost. I am lost. I am lost. I am bleeding. 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 My car is stuck. It won't move. I'm stuck here. My car is stuck. Stuck, stuck, stuck.
I need to sit down.
You look tired. Please sit.
Thank you, dear.
Here, let me help you.
Ah, much better.
I need water.
Here you go.
Thank you. I need water.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I am confused. I am confused. I am confused. I am confused. I need to rest. I need to rest. I need to rest. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am busy. I am busy. I am busy. I am busy.
I need phone.
I need phone.
Good. You need a phone.
Yes, I need a phone.
Perfect.
Please stay with me.
Okay, Grandpa.
Have some cocoa.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's learn English.
Yes, please.
I need medicine.
I need medicine.
That's right. I need medicine.
I need medicine.
Very good.